Very good morning, students. We are moving to the new lesson, that is human resource. What do you mean by human resource? We have seen in the resource chapter human resource, human made resources and the natural resources. In that third one it was human resource. Let us see what is the meaning of human resource and what are the how we can develop human resources, what are things included in human resource. Okay, let us go through the lesson first, then we will come back. Introduction, what is resource, and second one, distribution of population. In human resource we are thinking about the human being as a resource. Next one, we are thinking about the distribution of population, where we are having maximum people in which continent or in which state, like that things we are going to see. Then next topic, it is density of the population. How many people are living in a square kilometer area, that is known as the density. So we will study definition. Then factors affecting distribution of population. When we studied industry, that chapter also we studied factors of affecting, or what are the factors responsible for location of factory, like that. What are the factors affecting distribution of population? In that we can see geographical factors, then social economical factors. So we will study that one detail. Then population change. Next topic, it is how it is the population growth or changes in the population, how it is happening, that we will see. And in that we want to study migration, emigration, like that, many things, even death rate, birth rate, many things that is affecting the change of population. Then next one, it is pattern of population change, how it is changing and where it is changing, where it is developing very fast. Then population composition, those who are there in the population, in that we can see different people, those who are doing different occupation with a different age, different sex, literacy level, like that, all people it is included in population. Okay, and in that we are going to see which population means the is it youth is more or young people, that things we will see in that part. By that we will complete the lesson. So this same lesson you want to study in 9th standard, again in 10th standard, but that is in different word, but this is the basic thing. 9th standard same chapter, human resource, instead of human resource it is we will call it population, that is there in 9th geography last lesson, 5th 6th lesson. As the same time we want to study human resource in economics, second chapter. Then again in 10th standard we want to study human resource in IT, means in manufacturing industry, in that many part we want to study. Even in economics we want to study in first chapter development, like that. So it is important chapter for 9th and 10th. So you want to understand each and every concept. Okay. First one, do you know the government of India has a Ministry of Human Resource Development? Ministry was created 1985 with an aim to improve people's skill. This just shows how important people are as a resource for country. Please underline what is the ministry name, that is Human Resource Development Ministry. In which year it is created, that is in 1985. What is the aim of that one? Improve people's skill. Then next one, do you know Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana PKVY was started in 1915, aimed to train 1 crore Indian youth from 1916 to 1920. The objective of this scheme is to encourage aptitude towards employable skills by giving quality training to probable and existing wage earners. The one program scheme of the government, that is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Kaushal means skill development scheme. Started in 2015. What is the aim of that one? To encourage the aptitude towards employable skills. As a employee, for example, as a farmer, if the person is skilled to use tractors or any other machines, like that, different skills needed for as a job seeker or a person who need a job. Okay, let us see what is a human resource. People are a people are a nation's great resource. Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. So when the each and every person becoming productive or able to work properly, that time only people will become as a useful thing. Then only we can see the development of the nation, or in the that country's development, it will start. It is people with the demands and abilities that run them into resources. So it is people who is becoming the how the nature or that area becoming more useful with the help of people, and what they want, they are having demands as well as abilities. Then hence human resource is the ultimate resource. So we can see, the even though we are having land or capital or all other raw materials, everything is there, but human capacity or human abilities are not there, then nothing won't become we can't use anything, because the skill of the person or ability of the person making other resources useful one, or as a other things as a resource. So we can see human resource is the ultimate resource. Please underline. Healthy, educated and motivated people develop resources as per their requirement. Then which a person can develop the resource from the as a stone may be a resource for a person, or sand may be resource for another person. So if the person is healthy, educated as well as motivated, then that people will develop all the resources according to the requirements. And we know some of our friends, classmates, they are making many things out of waste, maybe old cloth or like that, or some of the children, they are collecting different types of pebbles and coloring it and making use that one for different purpose. So like that, in different way we are becoming motivated or using the things what is there in the nature, and we are making use that one, and it is becoming more productive or more valuable. Okay, next one, human resources like other resources are not equally distributed over world. When we studied about the iron ore or like that things, we have seen it is not in everywhere, it is not in a proper equally distributed everywhere, it is uneven. They differ in their educational level, age and sex. Even though in one society like Japan, like the developed countries also, according to their educational level, age and sex, the human resource, it is different to different person. Their numbers and characteristics also keep changing. The number of for example, education level in olden days, before 30-40 years, in the schools, those who completed what we are calling PDC, means pre-university courses, PU, like that we was calling in olden days. After that, those who was going for this DED, diploma in education, after that they was coming and teaching. Now if you are looking to your teachers qualification, those who are teaching in primary level itself, they completed post graduation plus B.Ed, like the teachers are coming and teaching. So that educational level, it is changing, keep on changing every time. Then age of the person, sex of the person. When you are joining as a small trainer or trainee in a company, that may be in 22 years or 21 years, and when you are becoming an CEO of that particular company by 40 years. So your age also varying, and your skills also becoming different according to your age. And sex also. In olden days, if you are looking to the workers of our country, that was maximum gents people out of the house, they was going to work, even in politics and everywhere. Now we can see even the contribution of ladies also. So we are moving to next topic, that is distribution of population. How it is distributed, where it is, we can see maximum people. Okay, we will continue in next video.